If you watched the last episode, you know I pulled off this fender because I wanted to rub the surface rust back and repaint it. And that's when we found out that there obviously was a hole in here and someone's tried to repair it. So before it looked like it had like rivets used in it, no idea. But I sent this off to my uncle. He's repaired this for me. I just got to do some body filler on here. I only done a little bit of body filler in my time. Just a little bit of surface rust here. And there was a little bit there, but when you shave it back, it's all clean. Now that's not the only thing I'm going to be painting. So I've already started prep, but all along here, I just need to shave it back a little bit, redo the primer, and then paint along here. This has obviously had some surface rust. Someone cleaned it up before I've got it, but now I need to redo it and then paint it. And then the last thing I need to do is where the rubbers used to run along here, I took them off and it took a bit of the paint off, and also it's still got a bit of the glue on it. So I need to sand those back on both sides and repaint it as well. Now I'm sending this cap off to this company who's going to match the color paint for me. I've watched a lot of videos on YouTube. I've read a lot of information, sandpaper sizes. So let's just get to it, try it, and see what happens.